mantra called Forever Hungry. And it's the idea that you have an endless desire to reach your passion, basically like continuously work towards a goal or your passions. And I use donuts to emulate the sweet taste of success. It's something you don't get all the time, but when you do get it, it tastes really good.
My man.
So we are in beautiful San Diego, California, Rochelle's old stomping grounds, and we are here to start our donut day road trip. People sometimes ask how in the world we're managing to eat donuts almost on the daily, and we'll show you.
Brought back a lot of memories. And now we're headed to Khai Donuts.
Khai.
Oh yeah, it looks so good. Take a peek if these ones talk a lot. Thank you.
Made it to Sidecar. We have 4 different donuts in here. And first and foremost, you always have to get a glazed donut from whatever shop you go to understand what they're trying to do with their donuts. This is the way I always get to know a shop. I start with the glazed and then we move on to the other prizes. When I judge a glaze,
Okay.
there's a handful of things that I look for. So for my texture, I like a nice solid crunch getting through here into the dough. And then I also like for it to have enough unique qualities in it that when I eat this, I can know instantly you bought that from Sidecar. You know, I should be able to tell that your glazed is different from other people's glazed. This is a pretty solid donut. The texture is definitely...
You're like a sommelier of donuts.
I wish that was a job. Workouts done. Donuts earned. Raise your hand if you get a donut. This year's International Donut Day. We filmed it a little bit differently than last year because people are always asking if I eat so many donuts. Oh. I eat so many donuts, how come I'm not crazy overweight or dealing with any crazy health issues? And like a lot of things in life, if you earn it, if you fight for it, then the reward is so much better. And these donuts, we do our part to earn them every day that we eat them. We put in the mileage, the time at the gym, and this time I wanted to show the backside of it. A lot of time on social media, you see people with the big house and the nice car, and they don't show you how they got it. And you see us consuming donuts and calories like crazy, but you don't know how we're doing it. It's because we usually run around like crazy, then eventually stuffing our faces full of goodness. And this time we get to do it with some friends. The best friend Evan, his girl O. Man, life's good. Happy International Donut Day.
Hey, happy International Donut Day. Oh, that's good.
Six donuts, don't worry.